Hi folks, welcome back to the Stony Creek and Poor Valley Railroad. My name's Bill. We've been away a while, and that's because we have been doing a 6-month-long rebuild of the layout. Today is a major milestone because the wiring is now complete to run the trains. My control setup now is an MTH Z4000, a Lionel ZW250, and a Lionel ZW275. We now have 5 loops on the layout. Let's start up here. Oh, I have to backtrack. No, I didn't complete the wiring. This one is still in brainstorm mode, but this is going to eventually be a small military base that's up on my mountain that protects the town. On the outside loop here, we have 072 running around our 15x9 table. Then we have a loop of 054. The 72 and the 54 go through the mountain. Then we have a loop of 042, and I have to laugh at myself because I'm going through thinking, man, 42 looks small, when on the old table that was the large loop. And then up top we have a loop of standard, which I get to run my little old Type 33. Yeah, she may be old and rickety, but you know, pray tell that you won't be that rickety when you're 100 years old. So let's just crank up some trains here. Got a Virginian Williams Trainmaster with a nice big string of 64 box cars. And then we're going to have our Williams EP5 Pensy with another freight train. And our Lehigh Valley switcher that is running around with some passenger cars. Lots of opportunity for action here. It is a work in progress. I still need to wire up switches and accessories and the 031 loop, but yeah, it is coming along, and I am really pleased with the progress. Thank you for watching. Have a pleasant day.